Megaliths in India explained. Menhir, Dolmen, Topikkal, Cist, Cairn Circle and Sarcophagus. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 10,000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 10,000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 10K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Concept of megaliths. Meaning. The word megalith is derived from the Greek words mega equals large, lithos equals stone. Megaliths are large stone monuments erected during the Iron Age, mainly for burial, memorial, or ritual purposes. They reflect the beliefs, social organization, and funerary practices of prehistoric communities. Time period: c. 1200 BCE, 300 CE, varies by region. Distribution in India. Mainly found in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra, Odisha, Vidarbha, Maharashtra. General characteristics of megaliths. Constructed using large undressed stone slabs. Mostly associated with the Iron Age. Used as burial monuments or memorials. Contain grave goods such as iron tools, pottery, beads, weapons, animal bones. Indicate belief in life after death. Represent ancestor worship and ritual practices. Built either above ground or below ground. Menhir. Definition: a menhir is a single upright stone erected vertically in the ground. Characteristics: one large standing stone, usually uncarved. Memorial or commemorative monument, sometimes associated with burials. May mark territorial or ritual sites. Distribution: Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Maharashtra. UPSC fact: menhir equals single standing stone. Dolmen. Definition: a dolmen is a table-like stone monument consisting of large vertical stones supporting a horizontal capstone. Characteristics: two or more upright stones. One large capstone. Burial chamber. Can be circular or rectangular. Used for elite burials. Distribution: Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Topikkal, umbrella stone. Definition: a topikkal is an umbrella-shaped megalithic monument, consisting of a mushroom-like capstone supported by stone pillars. Characteristics: umbrella or mushroom shape. Built over burial pits. Unique to Kerala. Symbolic funerary monument. Distribution: Kerala. Topikkal equals umbrella stone of Kerala. Cist. Definition. A cist is a box-like burial chamber made of stone slabs. Characteristics. 4 vertical slabs. 1 capstone. Underground burial. Contains skeletons and grave goods. Sometimes surrounded by a cairn circle. Distribution. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Cist equals stone box burial. Cairn circle. Definition. A cairn circle is a circle of stones placed around a burial. Characteristics. Circular arrangement of stones. Central burial pit or cist. Memorial marker. Often found with cists and dolmens. Distribution. Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Sarcophagus. Definition. A sarcophagus is a stone or terracotta coffin used for burial. Characteristics. Coffin-shaped burial container. Usually fitted with a lid. Contains skeleton and grave goods. Sometimes supported on legs, especially terracotta examples. Distribution. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Comparison table. Type, structure, purpose, easy memory. Menhir single standing stone, memorial standing stone. Dolmen table-like structure, burial stone table. Topikkal umbrella-shaped stone, burial umbrella stone. Cist stone box, burial stone box. Cairn circle, circle of stones, memorial/burial stone circle. Sarcophagus stone/terracotta coffin, burial stone coffin. Distribution of megaliths in India. Southern India, highest concentration. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Western India, Maharashtra, Vidarbha. Eastern India, Odisha. Central India, Madhya Pradesh, few sites. UGC NET important facts. Megaliths belong mainly to the Iron Age. Most are burial monuments. Grave goods include iron weapons, pottery, beads, copper ornaments, animal bones. Largest concentration is in peninsular India. Topikkal is unique to Kerala. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.